Hey everyone, brand new performance style front lip from EVBase, part of an entire kit, side skirts, rear diffuser. My friend is getting all of this, so subscribe, set your notifications, pictures, videos, how-tos, all coming soon. Make your car stand out. Everybody has the same looking Tesla. Make yours unique, stand out. Did I say yet all this stuff is from EVBase? So in this video, do an unboxing, take a closer look at the pieces, then a DIY, full DIY, and as usual, I provide all kinds of extra tips on how to get this thing on better. And not only that, I show you guys how to put a custom bug screen in the grill. This is the perfect time because you get to put it behind the grill. I'm gonna show you everything. It doesn't come with the kit. Custom, but that's what you get with this channel. That's why you subscribe. The install's really not that bad at all. It is easier with two people, but the second time I put it on, I did it just myself and it really wasn't that difficult at all. So yeah, watch the install. It's not bad at all. Please use my discount links below. It should automatically put the discount code TeslaMark in there, which will save you more money. The link in the code will give you the best discount. It will not cost you anything extra, but it will definitely help me out, which I need this year. Thank you. You're gonna see all kinds of stuff on this car. All the links to everything, again, down below, and stay tuned, more stuff is coming. My friend is completely transforming his Juniper. This thing is awesome. Right now, this front lip and entire kit are only made for the Model Y Juniper. They do, however, have other kits for the Highland and other kits for the Juniper too, so check them all out. If you're watching this video anytime at the end of October, anytime in November, it's like Black Friday season, okay? These are your best prices. This is the time to buy. The TeslaMark discount code works in all kinds of places. Try it out and compare. You're gonna save more money. All right off the bat, we got a ton of double-sided tape. We've got our body panel fasteners. We've got a few different kinds of screws in here. All right, very good, very good. Get on to the best part. Okay, matte black. Check it out. I don't know if this is really a matte. It's more of a satin. Kind of got some, I don't know, a little bit of shipping dirt on here. That comes right off, but you know, this is pretty standard at this point as far as material and how it feels. It's not carbon fiber. This is just ABS plastic, and it is looking good. You know, this is going to be the passenger right side here. Oh, yeah, check this out. Oh man, this thing looks aggressive. Wow. Oh, that is cool looking. Yeah, take a look at this thing. Oh man, this is gonna be so cool. So we're gonna put this together first, you know, with all those screws and everything they gave us. We'll go through it in more detail. We're gonna get this side on, we're gonna get this side together, and then put it on the car. Oh man, I can't wait. All right, line this guy up. We've got this kind of this locator tab thing here, and then there are 3 screws that go in. Too many settings to deal with. Okay, so we have to take any kind of a bug screen or anything that we have on this front grille because there's just no room for it. Most of the lips really don't leave enough room for it, and this one definitely, we do not have enough room. We can't modify this lip here enough to make a bug screen work here. So what I am doing is making my own bug screen from this material, which I'll have a link down below. It is from Amazon. They make this place, what was it called? ALL, something like that. You'll see the link below. They make all kinds of different types of grill. Basically, these are specifically grill material that you can put on your car. You obviously have to customize it. This came in I think a 48 by whatever this is, 18, 12, whatever inch roll. And I cut this down already, and we are going to put this behind here. And I could have gotten a mesh material, but I like this one a little better. I don't think we need full mesh. We want to just keep kind of big stuff out of the grill. I don't think it's completely necessary to keep tiny little bug things out. So anyway, whatever. I am going to cut this up specifically for this grill here, and we're going to mount it to the back. You'll see what I do. So anyway, that is the story. All right, so here it is. Look at this new bug screen. All right, might not look that great from behind, but let's check out the other view. Yeah, check that out. It's already cool, but now it's like super cool. All right, let's get this thing on the car already. All right, you got to take these two off. These two push pin fasteners. This side and the other side. Okay, do that first, and then we're going to put this thing on, and it really takes two people. Well, it can probably be done with one, but it's much easier with two. All right, U-clips. Almost forgot them. Here. And for this one too. And also, these things are like super tight, so I just use a screwdriver here and open them up a little bit. No big deal. All right, wipe this off like crazy with alcohol, because this is a finish that just doesn't feel like tape wants to adhere to it. I don't have enough of that adhesion promoter either to really kind of cover this, and they don't give you adhesion promoter. Also cleaned off these sections here with alcohol. Make sure we got everything off of it that we can. You know, the good news though is when this thing is on, it really stays on there. You've got a couple different screws on the bottom holding it on. The sides are held on really tightly around there. And when you're driving, you know, the wind is pushing this way. It's not going to go anywhere. It's so tight that just the way it is, it's so tight on here. I honestly, you could probably get away without even using this tape. But we're going to put the tape on here. It's going to be better. So anyway, got a couple strips there. Take the backing off and get this on. You definitely want to do a rehearsal first. So you're going to be putting it on just to see how it goes on. Make sure everything fits correctly before you put all of the double-sided tape on there and get it all ready to go. Stick it on there and then see that you're having trouble getting it to fit, because now it's kind of stuck, okay? In the install that I didn't actually put tape on the sides. I would recommend it though, because especially if you don't have PPF on the front nose, which my friend did, without the tape, it could shift around slightly, just, you know, tiny bit as you're driving, and that could cause the front end to get scuffed. I'm not positive. I don't know that for sure, but I think it's a good idea to tape that, again, especially if you don't have PPF. If you've got PPF, I wouldn't worry. We taped the front end, a couple of things. It's all in the install, but the sides, this thing, it's not going anywhere, right? I don't think tape is 100% needed to keep this thing on the car, especially in the front. Looking at the center part here, I'll put that in. Okay, are you able to get that side around? Last time you got that around pretty easily. Is it still a stretch?
There's a little bit of
a little bit? All right, so as I said, we focused on the center just to make sure you know where you're putting everything, and it turned out on this side, I already had this side kind of looped around. We had put this on before and then had to take it off because I didn't have the camera on and whatever. So we reshot it, had this on center, this side on, and then it becomes a little bit of a stretch to kind of pull this over and get this around, but it's not that bad. The first time we did it, it seemed kind of like ridiculous, like, wow, is this thing even fit? But it does. It's not that big of a deal. You can stretch this pretty far, and then again, just make sure you take off this fastener before putting this whole thing on, because it doesn't want to move too far to get that fastener off. So anyway, now we're going to put some screws in, get some other fasteners in, and we'll be ready to go. All right, to screw this one down, honestly, I thought I was going to have to do like a little pre-drill, but I don't think I have to. Let's see if this thing kind of self-taps. Let's put this in there first. Then let's put this center part in. All right, let's take a closer look here just to show some fit and finish. You know, we got a little gappage here and there. It's just kind of how it is. You don't really see it when you're at a normal level, but otherwise it fits real tight. It's real nice on there. All in the front, this fits good. All the way around, you'll see gap is in a slightly different spot, but we still have a little bit of gappage. So otherwise, man, this thing is pretty dang cool, especially with my customization in there. Yeah, patent pending.